Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is lecture number 2 of percentage. Lecture number 1 is already uploaded, and in that lecture, it is very important lecture, lecture number 1. In that lecture, we have done the tables of percentage. In this lecture number 2, we will do the formulas and their examples. So let's start with our lecture. Formula to calculate percent value. Y% of x is y upon 100 into x. From the above formula, we have come to know here x% of y is equals to y% of x. Yeah. Whenever we have two numbers a and b, and one number can be expressed as a% of the other, as follows: x as a percent of y, x upon y into 100, and y as a percent of x, y upon x into 100. The x as a percent of y, we have to do x upon y into 100, and y as a percent of x, y upon x into 100. It comes to formula of percentage of increase and decrease. So percentage of increase is increase in quantity into 100 upon original quantity, and percentage decrease is decrease in quantity upon original quantity into 100. For example, here we have given the example: if the net profit of a company grew from 50 crore in 2003 to 75 crore in 2004, then the percentage increase in the net profit from 2003 to 2004 is calculated as follows. We will solve this question. See, in the original quantity was 50 crore. The original quantity is 50 crore. 75 crore was in 2004. So we have to do in increase in quantity. So we have to decide these two quantities. 75 minus 50, 25 crore is the increased quantity. As this quantity comes from 75 minus 50. So we will use the formula as 25 crore. We will use the formula of 25 crore upon 50 into 100. So 10, 5, then this, it's a 50%. So the percentage of increase in net profit is 50%. I have solved it as 25 upon 50. Original quantity 50 crore will taken in denominator, and the difference will take in numerator. So difference of 25 crore it comes. So 25 upon 50 into 100 we have done. The percentage is 50 crore. There is 50 crore increase. Second, if the original quantity is 120 and it's increased by 25%, then the new quantity is. Here you can also do this as 120 into 1.25. As it is 25% increase, given as increase by 25%, we will take it as 1.25. So what will be the answer? It comes to 150, I think. 120, no? 120 into 125. So 5 zeros are 0. See, the multiplication trick I have tell you in no, number system simplification and approximation. So you can do that trick also. 4, then 1, 5, 5 ones are 5, 4, 9, 10, again 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, and so 1. Answer is 150. That trick I have done. First C into C, then B into C into B into C, then A into C, C into A, and B into B. Then these two we will solve, and this. In number system simplification and approximation, I have tell you this trick, so you can see that trick. The second is the second method I will do here. 120 into 25%. What is this 25%? It comes to 1 by 4. So we will do like this only. 120 into 1 by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 430. 4 2 4 threes are 12. So it comes to answer 30. And this 30 we will add it as 120 plus 30, that is 150. And decrease in if there is a decrease by 25% on 120, then the new quantity is, see, 120 is given, decrease by 25%, so we will multiply it by 0.75. As it is decrease, we will decrease it by 25. See, if we have 100, we will decrease it by 25, it comes to 75. 75 upon 100, that is 0.75. So we have taken as 120 into 0.75. It comes to 90. Again, I am telling you that trick. 120 into 0.75. 19, 19, and 20. Value 1. So another 7, 9, 0. It comes to 90. It comes to 90. And the other trick is 120 into 25%, that is 1 by 4. So 4 ones are 430s are 430s are 120. Therefore 120 minus 30, it comes to 90. Some important conclusions here. If x is a% more than y, then the y is in bracket a upon 100 plus a into 100%, then less than x. If x is a% less than y, then y is a 100 minus a into 100% more than x. Some tricks to calculate faster here. Splitting the percent into parts. For example, 51% of 128. Here 51% it is given. So we will do not 51% full. We will take it 128 into 50%. 50% is what? 5 by 10. If we reduce it, it comes to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 128 into 1%. So what is it comes? 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. It comes to 64, and here 1% of 128 is 1.28. So the answer is, here I am writing 64 plus 1.28 is equals to 65.28. 64 plus 1.28 is equal to 65.28. Next question. Interchanging the percent value and the number. Here 39% of 12.5. We will take it as here 12.5% of 39. So the what is 12.5? It comes to 1 by 8. See, 12.5 is 1 by 8, as we have in the first lecture. We have take it as, see, in this is lecture number 1 and 1.8 is 12.5. So here 12.5 is there, we will take it as 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 into 39. So 3 1 8 1 is 8, 8 4 are 32. How it comes? 7 7 0 70. It's 8 8 are 64. Again 6 0 68. 7 are 56. 408. 5 are 40. So answer came as 4.879. Sorry, 4.87. Here 5 I have written. 5. 4.875. Again, some important conclusions are here. First, if a number is first increased by a% and then decreased by a%, then the net effect is always a decrease which is equal to a% of a. That is a square upon 100 ka percent. A square upon 100%. Second, if a quantity is first changed, increase or decrease by a% and then change, increase or decrease by b%, then net change is plus or minus a plus or minus b plus or minus a into plus or minus b upon 100 whole bracket percentage. Third, if the price of a commodity increase or decrease by a%, then the decrease or increase in consumption so as an so as on so as not to increase or decrease the expenditure is equal to, so as not to increase, is equal to a upon 100 plus or minus a into 100. It's a percentage. The formula you have to read it, memorize it, learn it. If the population of a town P and its increase or decrease at a rate of r% per annum, then population after n years is P1 plus or minus r upon 100 raised to n. Population n years ago is equals to P upon 1 plus or minus r upon 100 raised to n. So again I am telling, you have to read it, memorize it, learn it, the formulas. In tomorrow's lecture we will start with our in next lecture we will start with our questions of solving. Till that you have to learn that table first. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and click the bell icon. Bye.